This is the new 911 Carrera GTS Cabriolet, and right away the shape just hooks you. The nose is clean and low, big intakes, very 911. These center lock wheels, black with the polished edges.
All right, behind the wheel of the 2025 911 Carrera GTS Cabriolet. Let's see what this thing can do. You can feel the car settle into the corner, nose pointed exactly where you want it. Steering is tight, immediate. I barely move my hands and it answers. Drop a gear, the GTS wakes up.
Drop the top, squeeze the throttle, and it just surges forward. The GTS pulls with this deep, clean punch, the twin turbo spooling like distant thunder. Steering is sharp, weighty, every nuance of the pavement coming through my finger.
What a machine. Right away, the steering is so alive. Every little movement comes through. Roll into it. There it is. Immediate linear shove. Drop a gear for the corner. Listen to that. The chassis just digs in. No.
Right away, you feel how planted it is. Steering's got that perfect weight, talking to me through every tiny ripple. Roll into the throttle, there it goes. Instant shove, but so smooth. And through this bend, look at...
Slide in here and everything points at you. The wheel, the screens, even the drive mode dial. It's all about the driver. These seats are firm but supportive, with beautiful red leather and tight stitching.
Slide in here and everything is aimed at you. The wheel is perfectly sized with a big red tack front and center and tactile switches right where your thumbs land. The infotainment's crisp, touch fast, and easy to reach, and the center console keeps the ship.
Everything in here is aimed straight at the driver. From behind the wheel, you get a clear view of the 3 digital dials, all easy to reach with these thumb controls. The center console flows down low, giving you space.
What you're looking at is the suspension heart of the 2025 Carrera GTS. Porsche pairs precision-milled control arms with an adaptive damper system that reads the road 200 times a second.
This is the heart of the 2025 Carrera GTS. 3 liters, twin turbos, a flat 6 laid low for balance. 475 horsepower, 420 pound-feet of torque, all alive at the touch of your right foot. The power flows through an 8-speed.